Ebooks and audiobooks are available from Kilkenny County Library service through Borrowbox via the library website or the Borrowbox mobile app. To access Borrowbox via Kilkenny County Library service, visit kilkennylibrary.ie and click Online Library. Choose from eAudiobooks or ebooks and look for the link to the Borrowbox service. To sign in, you will need your library ID and PIN number. Click Sign In to start. If it's your first time using the service, you may be asked to confirm additional details, including your email address and accepting the terms and conditions of use. Search, browse and discover a great collection 24/7 by title, author or category, read extracts, listen to excerpts and more. Some titles may say they are on loan or available on a particular date. Other titles will be available to borrow straight away. Find an available title, click on Borrow, then click Confirm eAudiobook loan or Confirm ebook loan on the following screen. Download the complete ebook or audiobook instantly. In the case where you have reserved a title, you will be emailed a reminder when it becomes available to download. Enjoy reading best-selling ebooks and listening to the most popular audiobooks from your favourite authors everywhere you go. When you're done, revisit. We're always adding new titles, so visit often and make the most of your library membership. For more information about other services from Kilkenny County Library Service, visit kilkennylibrary.ie.